Do you know your dreams or purposes in life? Through the years, we have been asked different questions such as, what do you want to do in the future? Or what do you want to be when you grow up? Some of us know the answers. Some of us don't. Well, I belong to the latter group. Pandemic helped me realize many things, such as the dreams I wanted before doesn't make my heart flutter anymore. And I couldn't find any interest in what all those dreams all about. I've asked myself, is that normal? That at my age, I don't know what I want to be? Well, based on Marlon Brande's PhD in Philosophy, Tactical Reasonings, and Psychology EmmAnne study, he said in the article named Quora, it is normal. It's okay to take time to figure things out. It's normal to feel overwhelmed and a little jealous of other people who already knew what they're going to do. It's normal to feel doubtful and confused about something you've been sure of your whole life. It will take time to unlock your dream. During the hype of pandemic, I had been addicted watching K-dramas, J-dramas, and C-dramas. Then one drama caught my attention and interest. It is a Korean medical drama titled The Doctors. Have you heard about it? It is a medical romance drama. I finished watching it 3 years ago, and it keeps me motivated and helps me open my heart to my dream. Let me tell you why. The drama started with a headstrong girl in high school with a prickly gangster personality named Yo Hae-jung. Due to her many childhood scars, Hae-jung keeps her heart close towards other people, but changes after meeting her mentor, Hong Ji-hong, the teacher who plays a key role in transforming her life from a hopeless delinquent to a compassionate doctor. They part ways due to a report of their close relationship, which was reported by a fellow student in high school, but subsequently met again after 13 years when Yo Hae-jung had become a successful doctor. You may say it was a love story, but it also deals with patients and surgeries. The characters are doctors, neurosurgeons to be exact. They operate on people's brain. It was the first time I'd heard of that word, neurosurgeon, and it became interesting to me. In every episode, they deal with new patients. It shows in the drama how they operate and diagnose patients. And after seeing those, I've realized one thing. I want to become a neurosurgeon. I was unsure about it at first, but with the help of another K-drama that became my favorite K-drama, titled Dr. Romantic, where a famous surgeon with the nickname Hand of God suddenly disappears and resurfaces as teacher Kim to guide young doctors in a small hospital. He is the only surgeon in South Korea to achieve triple board certification in general surgery, cardiac surgery, and neurosurgery. In that small hospital, there are a lot of amazing things happening. They have skilled team that operates despite how dangerous the operation would be. They do not care about the fame or money. They just want to save lives. Teacher Kim is an aspiring doctor with a skillful hands that can save many people. Also, Teacher Kim is my crush, my motivator to keep going and achieve my dream. And that K-drama helped me to become sure of my dream on becoming a neurosurgeon. And that dream of mine had been a secret for 2 years now. I haven't told anyone about that dream of mine. And if someone asks, I would say, I want to become a professional housewife as a joke. With the help of those K-drama, I found my dream that I never thought I would. I found myself smiling whenever I thought about going to hospital, checking up people, wearing a white coat, doing surgeries, and felt tired after a surgery. I know I'm not the only one who's confused about my purpose, but with the help of those K-drama, I can finally get out of my shell and start moving forward to achieve my dream. And if you feel that you're in the same situation as me, you better take time to explore. Or maybe you can try watching K-dramas too. I found mine in an unexpected way, and who knows, you'll find yours too. Thank you.